Right now on News Channel 5.
Slowly working its way from the fact that it's not weed, that we're not putting weed in our smoothies.
A Jupiter juice company is serving up smoothies with CBD oil, why the new ingredient is the talk of the town. New this morning at 6:24, a popular juice and smoothie store in Jupiter just added a new ingredient to one of its drinks, CBD oil. WPTV News Channel 5's Tori Dunnan shows you it is definitely the talk of the town.
About 33 milligrams.
John Sullivan mixes up a smoothie for a customer. But it's not just any juice.
Offer something that the community doesn't have available.
Modern Juice Company here in Jupiter just added CBD oil to one of their smoothies. It's called Blueberry Green Go, and they say they have plans in the future to add it to more juices.
So we'll expand our offerings.
The owner worked hand in hand with Dr. Ken Gray, a holistic physician,
The oils, you have the capsules.
to get this idea off the ground.
When getting a CBD oil smoothie or adding it to a juice, a fresh juice, would be inflammation, recovery, relaxation, anti-stress, anti-anxiety, and overall balance.
Sullivan says he's educating customers.
There's always questions and always, probably subtle comments. I think it's slowly working its way from the fact that it's not weed, that we're not putting weed in our smoothies. 2 scoops of frozen pineapple.
Like most people say, oh, that's marijuana. I don't want that in my food and I don't want to be ingesting that. Like, what is CBD oil?
There's no psychoactive drugs or elements in it. There's no THC to be found. So you can take this safely without worrying about being high, and it comes from hemp and not marijuana.
In Jupiter, Tori Dunnan, WPTV News Channel 5.